Shwmae, croeso. Welcome to lesson 6 in learning the basics of Welsh. Today we're going to just take a quick look at mutations. Mutations are one of the trickiest parts about learning Welsh. I'm not going to dwell on them here, but simply sometimes, depending on certain rules, the first letter of a Welsh word can change to another. And in English we call these mutations. So if we have a look at these examples here, the word pobl, meaning people, the P can change to a B, and even sometimes to a PH. So pobl is pronounced bobl or phobl. Likewise, the word gwaith, meaning work, starts with a G, that G can disappear sometimes and just leave the word waith, and it can change to a ung. Vyngwaith means my work. Okay, mutations can make up looking words in a dictionary tricky if you don't know the original letter of the word you want. For example, tref means town, but if you looked up the word dref with a D, you wouldn't find it in the dictionary. You have to look it up under T. Likewise, if it's mutated to thref, you would have to look it up under T. Cath, the C can change to a G or a CH, and you'd have to look it up under the C for cath. Now then, mutations actually make the Welsh language flow and easier to say if they're in context, if they're in the sentence. So they're actually quite good, but they are tricky when you're learning straight off. Right, that's all about mutations for now. You don't need to use them yet, just be aware of them. For now, just remember that these 9 letters can change at the beginning of a Welsh word sometimes. Here they are, these 9 letters: P, T, K, B, D, G, M, R. Those 9 letters are the ones that can change. You can compare a word that is mutated to a good friend wearing a disguise. The mutation can stop you recognizing a word quickly, but once you look a little bit more closely, you'll recognize it, just like you recognize your friend in the hat and the sunglasses. Cymraeg Extra, if you really want to know more about mutations, then look them up on the internet. There are 3 types: the soft, the nasal, and the aspirate. But please, don't worry about them. I would just forget about them for now, okay? That said, if you want to copy them out, here they are. These are the 3: the aspirate mutation, the nasal mutation, and the soft mutation. Okay? Copy this out if you want to do a writing task. There we go. Okay. Remember the dictionary. Download the app for Geiriadur Prifysgol Cymru, the Welsh University of Wales Dictionary. That's a help. And da iawn. Well done. You're on your way to speaking Welsh.